Yes, I welcome you back to .com Thinkers Television. This is Mr. Internet giving you social media tips, hacks, and tricks. For today, we are going to talk about a function on Android phones called talkback, or you can even call it voice assistant. For this, you can place any word on your phone screen and then your phone will just speak it out. You see how amazing it will be. So you can turn it on or you can also turn it off, but when you turn it on, many of the functions will change on your screen, and also you will have to double click everything to first highlight it, then double click to place in it such that you can use it. Let's see how to turn it on, and later we shall see how to turn it off. Let's go to settings first. Yes, after going to settings, we are going to know how to turn it on, and then we shall know how to turn it off. After coming to settings, come look where there is accessibility. Press in accessibility. After pressing in accessibility, just come here where there is screen reader, and then press in screen reader, and then there we shall see voice assistant. Press in voice assistant. Then they will show you allow voice assistant to have full control of your phone. But first of all, they will tell you that full control is approached for apps that help you with accessibility needs, but not for most apps. This means this cannot work for most of the apps, but just some of the apps that can manage to do this. So just press here and then press allow. It will just be turned on. And now let's continue and see what if you turned on your talkback or voice assistant on your phone. How do you turn it off? Remember that after turning it on, most of the things will have changed right away. So you have to first click on something that you want to place in. For example, if I'm going back to settings, I'll have to first press settings for the first time. It will get highlighted. Then after, I'll press it for the second time, and then it will open. Then the same process when we come here to accessibility. Mine is off now. My talkback or voice assistant is off, but if it is on, you'll have to first press accessibility for the first time. It will get highlighted. After getting highlighted, you'll have to press it 2 times to make it open. So I'll press it. You press on it 2 times, then it will get open. And after getting open, you will see here screen reader. Then reaching here, just press on screen reader for the first time. It will get highlighted. Then press it 2 times or twice, then it will get open. After getting open, come here to voice assistant or talkback, whatever you find here. You can find it like voice assistant, just like mine, or you can find it called talkback. So press on it for the first time, and then after you'll press it you press it twice, and then it will get off. This one here, just like you see, mine is off, but if you find yours on, when you've already turned it on, then press here just like I've told you to make it turned off.